Airport Management. Welcome to this session on airport management, a crucial aspect of the aviation industry that ensures airports operate efficiently and effectively. Today, we'll look into several key topics, including airport planning, terminal design, operational areas, airport functions, organizational structures, key stakeholders, and the global and Indian scenarios surrounding airport management. Airport planning. Let's begin with airport planning, the foundational element of effective airport management. This process involves strategic forecasting and a systematic approach to developing airport infrastructure. Airport planning covers various phases, including analyzing current operations, predicting future demand, and aligning airport capabilities with community needs. A critical aspect of airport planning is the operational area, which includes essential components like runways, taxiways, aprons, and navigational aids. Proper planning in these areas is vital for maintaining efficient aircraft operations and ensuring safety. For example, runway configuration must accommodate expected aircraft types and traffic volumes, while taxiway design optimizes movement from runways to terminals, minimizing delays. Now, let's discuss terminal planning, which is equally vital for enhancing passenger experience and airport efficiency. This involves several key aspects, including terminal design, passenger services, and technology integration. Modern terminals need to balance beauty with functionality, ensuring spacious boarding areas and efficient check-in counters. Additionally, providing facilities like lounges and dining options can significantly enhance passenger satisfaction. Airport operations. Moving on to airport operations, this covers a wide range of activities that ensure the seamless functioning of airport facilities. Airport operations involve coordinating various services, such as ground handling, passenger services, and security. Airports serve multiple essential functions. First and foremost is passenger handling, which involves efficiently processing passengers from check-in to boarding. Next is aircraft operations, where coordination of takeoffs, landings, and ground movements is crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency. This requires close collaboration between air traffic control and airport operations staff. Additionally, cargo operations play a vital role in facilitating transportation, involving freight handling, customs clearance, and logistics services. Regular maintenance is also essential for airport infrastructure, ensuring operational safety and compliance with regulations. Organizational structure of airline and airport sectors. Now, let's examine the organizational structure within the airline and airport sectors. Typically, these structures are hierarchical, with distinct roles and responsibilities at various levels. Airlines are often structured with divisions for operations, marketing, finance, and customer service. Each division is crucial for the airline's overall functioning and strategic goals. On the other hand, airport authorities manage airport operations, often led by a board of directors and an executive team overseeing various functional areas such as planning, operations, and finance. Airport authorities. Airport authorities play a pivotal role in managing airport operations, ensuring compliance with regulations, and promoting airport development. They operate under a legal framework established by national and local governments, which requires transparency and accountability. Key stakeholders in airport management. Effective airport management involves collaboration among multiple stakeholders, each with distinct interests and responsibilities. First, we have government agencies. Various governmental bodies are involved in airport management, including civil aviation authorities like the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, or DGCA, in India, which oversees aviation standards and safety. Airlines are also primary stakeholders, relying on airports for operational efficiency and collaborating on route planning, scheduling, and ground handling services. Passengers, as ultimate consumers of airport services, influence airport design and facilities through their needs and expectations. Local communities surrounding airports are also significant stakeholders. Their interests in noise, traffic, and economic impacts must be considered during planning and decision-making. Lastly, ground handlers provide essential services like baggage handling, fueling, and aircraft maintenance, directly influencing airport operations. Global and Indian scenario of airport management. Now, let's look at the global and Indian scenarios of airport management, as they vary significantly across different regions. On a global scale, airport management has evolved to embrace modern trends, including public-private partnerships, or PPPs. Many airports are adopting these models to leverage private investment for infrastructure development and operational efficiency. Sustainability initiatives are also gaining momentum, with airports worldwide focusing on carbon neutrality, waste reduction, and renewable energy integration. Furthermore, technological advancements are transforming the airport industry. Airports are implementing solutions, such as biometrics and automated systems to enhance operational efficiency and improve passenger experiences. In India, the airport management landscape is characterized by significant growth and modernization efforts. The DGCA plays a crucial role in regulating civil aviation, ensuring safety standards, and promoting the growth of the aviation sector. The Airports Authority of India, or I, manages over 100 airports across the country, playing a pivotal role in airport development, planning, and operational management. With rapid expansion in the Indian aviation sector, major airports in cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru are undergoing significant upgrades to enhance infrastructure and services. Additionally, the Regional Connectivity Scheme aims to improve air connectivity to underserved regions in India, fostering economic growth by establishing new airports. In conclusion, airport management covers many components essential for ensuring efficient and effective airport operations. From strategic planning and design to collaborative stakeholder engagement, each element plays a crucial role in the overall success of airport management. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, understanding the complexities of airport operations and the roles of various stakeholders will be essential for fostering growth and sustainability in the sector. The ongoing developments in the global and Indian airport landscapes highlight the need for continued innovation and adaptation in airport management practices. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of airport management.